Today, Koryo Tours is taking you on a journey through our exclusive Pyongyang Brewery Tour. On this tour, you'll visit all of Pyongyang's most famous monuments, as well as sampling your way through North Korea's best brews with your group. We've also enjoyed a cultural exchange with local and foreign brewers. Take a guided tour around Pyongyang's best breweries, including the famous Taedonggang Beer Brewery, where you can get right in at the heart of the action. Contact Koryo Tours for a chance to explore Pyongyang and Chukbae with the locals. Visit places that aren't usually open to foreigners on this exclusive brewery tour.